What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play with friends online in Football Manager 26. When you load up the game, you'll see options like New Career, Load Game and Online. If you are joining a friend, head to Join Online Game. From there, you can search using the server name or just find them directly if they are already on your friends list. Select the server and join. That's all there is to it. If you are the one hosting, choose Start New Online Game. You can set the server to public or private, give it a name and add a password if you only want friends joining. You'll also see a few basic settings like match scheduling, highlight modes and game speed. If you just want to get going, you can leave most of these on default. After that, continue and choose how you want to set things up. You can go with quick start for the fastest option or advanced setup if you want more control. With advanced setup, you decide which nations and leagues to load, whether you want men's or women's leagues, the transfer mode, the start date and a few gameplay preferences. Just keep in mind, the more leagues you add, the deeper the save will be, but it will also take longer to load. Once you are inside the save, open settings, go to game status and use the invite friends option in the bottom right corner. Send the invite and once they accept, they'll join your game. If you don't want to mess with all of that, quick start is the easiest way in. Pick your team, create your manager, invite your friends and you're ready to go. Once everyone joins, you can start the season together. That's how online play works in FM26. Simple once you know where everything is. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.